Hello everyone, welcome back to my video today. So I'm Theo, whatever hobby you can imagine, I'm all in. Today we're flying drone again in another spot in Clearwater Bay, Hong Kong. The weather is very good, not too windy, not too hot, and many people in this spot. Is a beach, so this spot has so many people, so many cars. But I check on the map for the government instruction. This area should be okay to fly the drone. There might be some complaint from the people, but actually I don't fucking care. Let me show you around. The area. This area that we're gonna fly today. Parking slot. Parking here is a public parking, so it's pretty cheap. This area. This parking lot is next to the public toilet, so you can see there's some people here is washing the car. So the spot we're flying the drone today to capture the scene is over there, over the tree. There is a beach that you need to take the staircase to walk down to the beach. All right. Okay, let me show you what equipment I have today to fly and capture some beautiful scenes from the beach. I'm using one hand, so excuse me if my action is a little bit shaky and sloppy. Yeah, but here I have another drone. I believe you see another of my video. I fly the DJI Neo drone. Is the FPV drone, so need to wear the goggle to control the drone. But today I fly a different one, and I use the remote controller. So this drone is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So it's slightly better than the DJI Neo and more appropriate to capture the more stable video. This one, the gimbal. Let me show you the gimbal. So the gimbal is two-way gimbal, where it can rotate left and right, also up and down. So when you fly, even the wind is pushing the drone, but the footage will be still stable. And this drone is there's one more thing better than the DJI Neo is the obstacle sensor. So you can see here there's 2 sensor at the top, another sensor, 2 sensor at the front. It looked like the octopus eyes, and another distance sensor is at the bottom. So this one can detect the obstacle 360. So you will not be afraid to pump into any tree or pump into the rock or pump into any obstacle that you cannot see from the camera. It's pretty good drone. And also this drone is 249 grams. So you can stay away from the hassle of register the drone with the government or register the pilot. So here I already, for the sake of the safety, I already registered with the government. So there's a QR code here, so in case police come to check, so I can show them the information of the drone, my information as well. Yeah, so pretty much on the drone. So we have here the controller. This controller is more advanced comparing to the controller of the DJI Neo. This one has the touch screen, so you can see the live view of the camera, the live view of the drone on this controller on the big screen. Let me start the screen. So you see. Okay, the screen is very bright, easy to see under the sun, and also the touch screen is very responsive. I believe this one is running Android, so the app here inside the drone look pretty much the same as the app inside your phone. So here you can see we have couple mode here. The middle one, not sure if you can see it clear, but the middle one is the normal mode. The left one is the cinematic, and the right one is sport. So at the sport you get full speed. At the cinematic, the speed will be slower to capture the frame and make sure it's stable, not stuttering the frame. This button is for landing. So when you press this button, it's going to go back to the place you take off and automatically land. Power of this one is antenna, the analog control, up, down, left, right. Yeah, it's pretty much. So at the front we have two wheeler here. The left one is to adjust the angle of the camera. The right one is to adjust the zoom for the camera. There's a left button here is to start recording. This one is to take the snapshot. At the back we have two button here. So it's a programmable button, but by default this one, as I remember, is to reset the camera angle to the front view or the beneath view. Well, this one is, can't remember. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty much the UI of this controller. So it didn't connect to any aircraft yet because I didn't turn on this drone. So apart from that, we have the battery, the smart battery stock from DJI as well. So I have two battery here, and another battery is inside the drone already. So this one, when you plug it can charge 3 battery at the same time, and the charging speed depend on the adapter you're using, not really on this device. Right, with one battery actually I can fly around 20-ish minutes. In the best condition maybe it can be 30 minutes, but yeah, normally it's 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, we have 3 battery, we can fly for like 1 hour. It's pretty good for taking all the footage. Right, saying no more, let's go flying. So in the upcoming duration of the video, maybe you can I will just show you the footage with the music. It's more relaxing to look at the scene, enjoying the scene. I'm not going to talk too much on this video. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, now I drive to the next location to fly the drone. This location called Fei Ngo San. It's a very nice place up the mountain. I'll show you guys around. As you can see, so many cars parking along the way. So here's the spot. From here we can see the whole scene of Hong Kong.